Hey guys, I'm Maia from Tastemade, and today I'm embarking on day one of my Taco Bell challenge. What is the Taco Bell challenge, you ask? Every day for 7 days, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, I can only eat Taco Bell and I can't repeat any menu items.
Day one!
Day one! So this is Amir.
Hi.
He's a Tastemader too, and he is obsessed with Taco Bell, so he's taking me to Taco Bell for my first T-Bell breakfast.
It would be an honor.
Let's do it. This is actually my first time ever having Taco Bell breakfast. Amir, what's your fave?
Oh my god, the breakfast Crunch Wrap Supreme with steak
Alright, that's what I'll do.
are the best.
2 breakfast Crunch Wraps. One for me and one for you.
Cheers to day one.
Cheers to day one. That's pretty good. Delicious. I'm surprised and also thrilled because I have to do this for 6 more days. 1 down, 20 to go. Why would I take on such a challenge? I ask myself as I drive back for lunch. I'm very competitive, and somebody dares me to do something, it's very hard for me to say no. Can I please do 1 Mexican pizza? I will also do a Baja Blast. I tried to get buddies to come with me today for lunch, but had no takers, which I don't really understand. I always say yes to a Taco Bell lunch. Thank you. Meal 2. If one has never had a Baja Blast, it's got notes of blueberry and that like super sweet, super fizzy Mountain Dew thing going. I think it's pretty key to any Taco Bell meal if you're really going to have the full experience. This is the Mexican pizza. I, by the way, only like fire sauce. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's good. Classic and delicious. Oh god, the burps. I've already started. Mexican pizza combo. Done. I just found a crusted Taco Bell cheese in my hair. Ooh. I think there's a reason Taco Bell isn't known for its iced coffees. Lunchtime. Can I please have 2 chicken chipotle grillers? Add lettuce, tomato, and onion, and no sour cream.
2 chipotle chicken grillers? And you want onions and sour cream?
No. I don't even know that I need this, but I'm addicted to it. That's my boyfriend Ollie, and he hates that I'm doing this, and he won't participate with me, hence eating Taco Bell alone. Ollie just said the smell that's coming off of me is revolting. I'm back. I would rather eat almost anything else. And I'm going in, and I'm just gonna do it. I worked out twice today because I felt so yucky. I don't know how I'm gonna do 5 more days. Look at these bags under my eyes. Those are dehydration bags. I'm gonna go home and drown myself in water and wine. I haven't used a fork since I started this thing. There are like 3 things in the menu that are forkable. I'm saving those till later. This morning I have a sausage flatbread quesadilla and I added tomatoes. And I also got a side of hash browns because I'm hungry today. Maybe my stomach is growing. And an orange juice for heart-healthy things to eat. Everything is honestly starting to taste exactly the same. It tastes like Taco Bell. There was a crazy lady in there today yelling at people and being super racist. So, see you at lunch. Back for lunch, found a buddy. He is not excited. What are you gonna order?
Maybe Gordita Crunch.
Yum. What kind of sauce is in that?
Just becoming a pro.
Can I do the jalapeno sauce instead?
Bold move.
And can I please add tomatoes and jalapenos?
She knows the way around a Taco Bell menu.
Yes, please. I know too much. Beaujolais and crispy Gordita Crunch. What a pairing. I don't think I ordered enough, which is new, which means I'm getting used to this, which is scary. And yes, it's the middle of the day and I'm drinking, don't judge. Heading in for meal 3, day 3. Dinner. I cannot get hydrated. I've been drinking as much water as a whale. My lips are just, they're like so dry. Fork, first utensil in 3 days. I might be the only person here not stoned or drunk. Maybe I should try coming stoned and or drunk. Everything at Taco Bell tastes the f***ing same. 4 more days to go. I'm gonna go home and drink some water and some wine and try to rock myself to sleep. See you tomorrow. Can I please do 1 mini skillet bowl and an orange juice? Happy Monday, guys. This is the only fruit I shall be eating for 4 more days. Oh, God. It's so little. This is Lauren. She's never had Taco Bell before.
You were to equate yourself to a spirit animal right now, who would you be?
I would probably be a sloth. I just want to crawl really slowly away from Taco Bell. This is not good.
You have to finish it?
I don't know. I'm hungry.
This is easy. This is eggs.
It's eggs, but they're like not real.
They're not from a chicken.
I don't know. These are not from a chicken. Lemonade. This has become my life. I have gotten super grumpy through this. I was so grumpy this weekend. My poor boyfriend had to endure everlasting crabbiness. Whatever I'm ingesting on a day-to-day basis isn't sitting well. I'm not getting the nutrients I need. Quick question for you guys. How often do you eat Taco Bell? I haven't seen any like repeat customers. Meal 11, not dead yet. I keep getting this like weird shooting pain. Just a really intense shooting pain right here. I hope I'm not dying. I just met Ollie and his cousin for drinks at one of my favorite places with the best chicken sandwich and just sat there as they ate, and now I'm on my way to Taco Bell. Oh, I just cannot imagine shoving more Taco Bell in my body. My body is pissed, like pissed. Every day I come home with this brown bag with purple writing on it. All of my neighbors know that I'm only eating Taco Bell. They're judging me. All of them. I know it. This is Sam. He's just been watching me bitch for 4 days.
Well, it worked, and then it broke again.
Their bag says welcome to the after party. I feel like they should have a different bag for breakfast. I'm not interested in going to a after party at 8 o'clock in the morning. My car smells like Taco Bell, and I hope that this isn't permanent. Breakfast taco. Tasty. I like these breakfast tacos because they don't put a lot of sauce on them. They actually taste like food. Lunch. I'm doing Taco Tuesday. I'm actually looking forward to this meal because it's one of my faves and I saved it till the end on purpose. This is a Doritos Locos Fiery Taco and it's bright red, which is truly a health concern. So good. It's like so wrong, but it's right. I don't know what it is, I'm feeling better. Saturday was probably the worst day because I realized that I had to do what I had done the day before 6 more times. Now that I know that I only have 7 meals left and 14, 15 behind me, it's like totally, ooh, I haven't died, I haven't thrown up or pooped my pants. I will say that the entire top left of my lip has turned into like a lizard skin chapped level because of the salt content that has been hitting my lips every day for the past 5 days. So that's the biggest concern, but I haven't broken out, which is shocking, and my bowels have been fine. 2 more days. That's because I'm post yoga and I smell horrific, like really bad. And this is most of what I ate in the car. Chicken soft taco al fresco. Morning. Day 6. I'm almost done. 1 more day, or 2 more days. I had to drop my car off to get service this morning, so today I'm gonna have to have the Lyft driver take me through Taco Bell. Hopefully he's not too weirded out. I'm gonna get what you got. 2 grilled breakfast burritos with sausage. Second to last breakfast. I don't even care what it tastes like anymore. I'm almost done. Their sausage is really good. I convinced Amir
Yes?
and Allie to come with me to Taco Bell, so we've got like a serious order. Double Dilla. Hello, friends. Second to last dinner, and I couldn't be more excited. This is a Crunchwrap Supreme. This is a favorite for a reason. It is crunchy. You can see on the inside they separate the meat and cheese from the veggies. Now that I'm a Taco Bell pro, I added in some jalapenos and the jalapeno creamy sauce. Not a burrito, not a taco, somewhere in the middle. I am very happy that I saved this to the end. As the challenge is kind of winding down, it's gotten so much easier because now an end is in sight. I only have 3 more meals left. I am pumped. I'm taking out some of these jalapenos. Their jalapenos are no joke. I'm like, why? Spicy jalapenos! Probably not helping my dry lips problem. Woo!
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? Can I please have 1 grande scrambler with sausage? Can I have no sour cream, please?
282 at the window, ma'am. Please move forward.
Thank you. Last Taco Bell breakfast ever. This is a grande breakfast scrambler, and it is not delicious. I don't even think I can eat this. I'm gonna dig the potatoes out of it. So much goo. I'm walking in to my favorite place, Taco Bell. Second to last meal. This thing is about 7 pounds. It's actually exactly what I wanted / needed today. It's fully loaded. It's really good. Guacamole. I may have changed my opinions on burritos since going through this challenge. Found myself craving them today, which I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but it's real. Guys, this Taco Bell has real pork. They're so nice. They brought me a side of avocado ranch. I think they've gotten to know me here. This stuff is delish. Ranch is my favorite food. One of them at least. It's my last meal.
One more meal. One more meal.
Yeah!
One more meal. How do you feel after 7 full days of Taco Bell?
Very excited that I get to eat anything else after today. My favorite meal was probably the power burrito dinner. My brain feels a little tired, but my belly feels fine, weirdly.
Did you lose weight? Wow.
5 pounds.
So are you saying if people want to lose weight, they should go Taco Bell?
I would not recommend it, and maybe you should consult with your doctor first.
How much do you love Taco Bell after this experience?
No comments. Last meal, motherfucker!
She did it! 7 full days of Taco Bell! You're my hero!
Hey guys, it's Thursday night, and that means I'm about to dig into meal number 21. 21! Can't even finish chewing it, I'm so excited. 21 meals later, at least 21 different menu items. Some meals I had 2, or didn't die. Not one zit on this face. Didn't poop my pants. I'm alive. Live to tell the tale. I also wanted to take a congratulatory shot of tequila because I deserve it.